Hello everybody. So through this session we will continue with your grammar, and in grammar we will continue with your active and passive voice. So this is our fourth part of the topic. Okay, today we will discuss some other structures of our active and passive voice. So first of all we will discuss some sentences of double objects only. For example, he teaches me English. So we can make passive of these sentences in two ways. Like, first of all, taking me in the beginning, it will become I am taught English by him. And second, by taking English in the beginning, English is taught to me by him. So there are two passives for this sentence. When we have double objects, so we can take all both of them and we can make two passives of these. Further is, so next we have passive of imperative sentences. So we all know that imperative sentences are in which there is order or command. For example, bring the pen. It's an order. So we used to make passive of such sentences by using let the pen be brought. So the rule is we should begin the sentence with let and we should use be plus third form of the verb in such sentences. We will discuss more examples like shut the door. So we will begin the sentence with let the door be plus third form. Let the door be shut. One more example, show the papers. Passive will be let the papers be. Third form of show is shown. Let the papers be shown. However, if in imperative sentences there is a sense of request or advice, then we will not begin the sentence with let. There will be no use of let in such sentences. For example, help the poor. Now in this sentence this is not an order but it's an advice only. So we will change this in another way. Here the passive of this will be the poor should be helped. So the rule becomes interchanging the or placing the subject in the beginning and then should be plus third form of the verb. This is the rule for imperative sentences which have request and advise. We will take more sentences like feed the child please. So here this is request only. The passive will be the child should be, and third form of feed is fed only. We will not use please in the passive voice. We'll take one more example like love your country. So passive will be your country should be loved. However, if your imperative sentence is negative, then there are another rule like sentences do not read a bad novel. Now it's an imperative sentence, order only, but negative sentence. So in such sentence passive will be, we will at the place of do we will use let not a bad novel be read by you. So the rule is only that do will be replaced by let, and other than that we have to use the simple rules of passive voice. We will further discuss couple of sentences like do not beat the child. So the passive will be let not the child be, third form, bitten. We'll take one more sentence. Do not defend the thief. So the passive will be let not the thief be defended. Further we will discuss sentences which begins with there. For example, there is no milk to waste. So passive of such sentences, there is no milk to be wasted. We will just at the place of to waste we will use to be wasted, means be plus third form. Nothing else will be done in such sentences. We will take one more example. There is no time to waste. So easily we will change the voice like there is no time to be wasted. So last we will discuss passive voice sentences without objects like Rose smells sweet. So here subject is Rose but object is not there. So such sentences, how to change them? Rose is sweet when smelt. Further we will take one more sentence. Quinine tastes bitter passive is quinine is bitter when tasted.